Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to create and apply a learning curve to a strip. First, go to the Tools tab and select Learning Curves. At the top, type a new description to create a new learning curve. Now, fill in the efficiency percentages for each day. Once completed, click Create. Next, click on the Description drop-down and select the newly created learning curve. You'll now see how the learning curve has been generated. Close the window and right-click on the strip where you want to apply the learning curve. Select Learning Curve, then choose Add a Learning Curve. From the drop-down, select the learning curve you just created. Here, you can clearly see how the quantity breakdown is impacted by the learning curve, showing how production efficiency changes over time. Click Apply. Your learning curve has been successfully added. Now select the strip where the learning curve was applied and choose View Day-Wise Allocation. From the drop-down, select Learning Curve Day-Wise Allocation. You can now see how the efficiency progresses day by day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful guides.